Dumelang Beautiful People, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how I achieved these 3 simple looks using Marley braiding hair. To gather my hair into a pony, I first have to section it into 4 parts and then tie them as close to the middle of my head as possible. I have thick hair, so I can't just tie all of my hair at one go. I need a little help. So sectioning my hair makes it easy to grab the hair and eventually get it into one pony. Once all the hair has been tied to the middle, I loosen the sections and start gathering my hair to create the pony. I tied my braiding hair to its shoelace. It was the only thing I had available for this, as I wanted lots of volume. I love hairstyles with volume. I then put the braiding hair over my head to help cover the ponytail. And wrapped the strands of the shoelaces around the base of my pony so that it is nicely attached and secured. You can use any braiding hair for this. I just always have Marley hair available. I like Marley hair because it is closest to my hair texture, it is reusable and also very lightweight. To create the loose ponytail, I took a few strands of the Marley hair and wrapped them around the base of my pony. This helps to hide the shoelaces and gives the style a bit more depth. I then flipped my hair to one side and left it loose. For the jumbo braid, I flipped the Marley hair to one side, separated it into 3 somewhat equal pieces, and created a 3-strand braid down the length of the Marley hair. I don't like the ends sticking out, so I folded a piece of the hair and wrapped it around itself. To create the top bun, I took the jumbo braid and wrapped it at the top of my head. I used bobby pins to help shape the bun and to actually hold it down in place. And that is how I created the 3 easy hairstyles. Let me know in the comment section if you would try any of them. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.